What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video and another item from Targetcon 2023. I told you I was going to pump these out. These are happening. I bought a few things and I want to show you everything I bought. And we're going to do them one video at a time so you can just get a full look at the figure and not have to worry about everything crammed at you at one time because, I don't know, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Today, I don't want to. So anyway, before we get into the video, let's talk about these things that you need to do. You need to go and subscribe. Click that subscribe button. You need to go hit that like button. You know, both of those help me gain traction so other people can see the stuff that's out there and they can see more Funkos, Disney, all that crazy stuff. Loungeflies. Look at those Loungeflies. You can get those too. And other random collectibles that you want to see in the future. So definitely hit that like and subscribe button. I highly appreciate it. And also go check out the stuff in the description box below. Promo code for Ralphie's Funhouse, ShyMe013. Saves 10% on a $25 or more purchase, so go enjoy saving some cash. Now, let's get into the Targetcon 2023. So, we all know Targetcon came, and apparently a lot of it never sold out. But I bought a few things that I was excited for, or semi-excited for, and I want to grab. So let's get into the item. So as you can clearly see, whoop, over here. Boom, boom, somewhere over here, right? Right here. I like how I have to point my finger in an opposite direction to get the angle I want. But right here, see those? See those Harry Potters right there? I think I am now missing one. And that is not including the Targetcon 2023 piece because as I come down here, oh shit, I just slammed into my computer. I got the Fred Weasley with Weasley's Wizard Wheezy. Now, this piece was probably the piece I was most excited about for Targetcon. I think this is the coolest looking piece. And I am excited to open this. I am excited to show this. I'm excited to display this. This piece by far is probably my favorite piece from Targetcon. And I'm a bigger Disney fan than I am a Harry Potter fan, but I love these Pop Deluxes of the Harry Potter buildings. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. I'm missing one. I think there's 10 total. I am missing. I don't know who I'm missing. I have Remus over there, so I'm missing one more of those. But I have to find a home for these now because I don't have. That was fine, and then they went and released more, and now I'm out of space. And I like how I did that with the lights above and everything else. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna do next. Maybe another shelf. I might have to go get another bookshelf over here. I might have to go change some things up. But anyway, I absolutely love these Harry Potter Deluxe pieces. I love this one especially. This one is so cool. It looks so good in the box. But who's leaving these in the box? Not me. Not in a million years. Let's take this out of the box. Let's look at this guy out of the box because I am obsessed with this piece. The moment they announced Targetcon, I was like, okay, Spider-Man, cool. Donald Duck, cool. Don't care too much about anime, but the piece is cool. What else did I get? Maleficent, cool. I know there's another piece I got. I'll think about it eventually. I don't know when it went. Oh well, there's another piece somewhere. But it's whatever. Let's open. Open. Haha. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh man, you are heavy. You are freaking heavy. So there we go. Oh, we'll just take the plastic out right here because nobody cares about that plastic. Look at this piece. Little bunny up top. The guy that you can clearly see through the entire building. This is such a good piece. He does come off. Like all of them, they do come off. So you can technically swap them. So let's look at Fred Weasley. It says Puking Pastels is what he has in his hand. Boom. I absolutely love these. And he has his fingers crossed, or his hand just behind his back. But it looks like he's supposed to. I don't know. Maybe it's just how he held himself. I don't remember. I gotta go back and watch Harry Potter to be honest, but yeah, such a good. So that is Fred. Now let's look at the building itself. So it says Masterpieces of Modern Magic, Weasleys, Wizard Wheezes. Shenanigans for all. The ones on the side are kind of hard to read because they're light colored. Petrifying products and this best in I can't read that word. I gotta see what this says because I can't read that. I hate when I can't read something. That's not the code I want. I need a flashlight. I need a flashlight to see what I'm looking at. Flashlight. This. No, the best in jesting. I don't like the color font they use on those side ones like that. That light gray. Wish they would use more dark ones. I wonder why they did that. Because these two look exactly the same color when these two on the other side are different. Either way, I absolutely love this piece. Curious. Where's the building? Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. They're both supposed to be gray. Just curious. Anyway, this is cool. It's going to look awesome. Awesome, awesome. When I set it up with all the other pieces. Fred Weasley's going to sit here and hang out. Got to put him back on his peg. Boom. So how cool is that? How cool is that? Like I said, this is by far my favorite Targetcon piece. If I went back and decided I was just going to buy one piece, it would have easily just been that piece, and that would have been it. I would have passed on Donald. I would have passed on Spider-Man. I would have passed on a lot of things. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I got the Doctor Strange for my dad. I forgot about that. Anyway. That's all I got for you guys today. I think this is the must. This is the must piece from Targetcon 2023. My own personal opinion, of course, but this is my opinion, is the must piece. I think this is the best piece that they released for Targetcon. It's by far the coolest piece, and it's not super boring or super lame like a lot of them, or just a remold with coloring. This is so good. If you haven't bought this, go buy this. I highly recommend it. This is gonna look great on my shelf. I'm excited to display it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take it easy. Have a good one.